Okay, what we got here is a 2015 Vespa GTS. And what we're going to do is show you how we turn the factory lever for this kind of pearl anodized type of look, kind of silver. To a more polished chrome look. So you can see what it looks like there. And then walking around. And now you can see a chrome kind of look. So if you like this kind of look versus a pearl finish, then what you need is this and 800 grit sandpaper. This is available at O'Reilly's, other places of course. And definitely shake it. These have also been done. So normally the finish is down, what it looks like down on the, between the ribs here. Now it looks like that. So pretty straightforward. 800 grit sandpaper, and you basically get it slightly damp somewhere on it. And it's just a lot of manual work. Now, if you have everything off, you can do this faster. And you just basically sand like you think you'd sand. And that's the anodized finish starting to come off. And you see where it's a very light color in here, starting to show through. Where's it slightly darker? This is when you've gone through the anodized finish, and now you're at just the base aluminum. Pretty straightforward. You just keep following this idea until you get it all that light color. And it, honestly, it's a little easier if you have a few more pieces of sandpaper, which would be 3,000 grit and 5,000 grit sandpaper. But this aluminum polish that I just videoed earlier is fantastic at getting rid of even 800 grit sandpaper scratches. I believe this sandpaper is available at even Home Depot. I think they might have 1,500 grit there also. Sorry about the jittier video, but I don't have a tripod holding the camera here. Anyways, you get the idea. You have this darker line still that you're seeing. And it doesn't take very long to do, you know, the main parts of it. Getting around the backside of the ball, getting up here and back here is, you know, harder to do, especially if you have a windshield on like this. And let me just show you the polishing part of it. This has already got some polish on it, but it's obviously tired because it's freaking black. But you'll see, just even though this is kind of no polish left that's got any life in it, basically the grit that's inside of the polish has worn down, broken down, and which it does, which it makes it get finer and finer. It starts out aggressive and then it gets finer and finer. I'm just rubbing on here again with some tired polish that's already on the towel. And you see the shine coming up, right? That chrome effect already. pretty easily. It's still not crystal clear yet. You see it still looks blurry if you look straight at it. The reflection of the grip over here is a little blurry. Compared to this one over here is much clearer. Because I don't really have any good compound on here yet. But even with it tired, you can tell there's a couple minutes where they're rubbing it on here. And 800 grit sandpaper scratches. It's miraculously gets rid of them. So it's about 65% of the way there now on getting it all polished out. So it ends up looking like the end of the handle here. But what a difference. Thanks for watching.